A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Monica Kamundi, aka Magical. I change people's lives by offering financial advice and financial solutions. As we continue unpacking the principles of wealth management, I would like us to ask ourselves, is age a factor to consider when investing or getting into any business? There's a song, I don't remember the artist, that goes, age ain't nothing but a number. In the sector of investment and business, I believe that age is not just a number. Depending on your age, you will realize that there are certain business decisions that you cannot uh, take because of the outcome. So, for younger individuals, they have more time horizon and hence can take up more risky businesses. So, with the longer time horizon, they're able to take up businesses that are more risky or volatile, but also with an higher expected return. The older individuals, on the other hand, and especially maybe people who are so close to retirement, do not have that luxury of time. And hence, their focus is on preserving the capital they have accumulated over the years. So, the key issue here for the older generation is on conservation. And hence, they cannot fit into the kind of businesses the younger people might fit. Case in point, for instance, if a younger person invests in the uh, in stocks, and the market is not right, the market is not positive, this younger individual has either more time to wait for the market to recover over the years, or they can crystallize the loss, but they have more time to invest elsewhere, which is not the case for the older individual who has to largely focus on preserving their wealth. So, for the older generation or the older individual, it's about preserving what you have accumulated over the years. It's about generating an income, and it's about managing the risk. If you look at some of the businesses or ventures the older individuals might not fit into, for instance, things like speculative investments. Speculative, these are things like stocks, because you're not sure. No one can really tell you how the stock market will behave in the next 5 months, the next 1 year, 2 years. The next kind of investment that might not favor the elder individual is high volatile investments. Things like, for instance, the cryptocurrency. You know, you could also think about what are these other things? Illiquid investments. Illiquid investments are things that they hold your cash for a long time, and sometimes it's not easy to liquidate them. So, for instance, if an elder individual puts most of their money in real estate, sometimes depending on the market conditions, yes, you could be having those assets, you could be having those properties in terms of apartments and buildings, but when you need the cash, it takes longer to sell or get a buyer for that particular uh, property. And hence, the reason we are saying that age becomes a factor to consider when you're taking up an investment option or a business venture. You could think of other areas. For instance, the matatu business. Is that an ideal investment for an elder individual? Things like what are they called? Get rich quick schemes. Yeah, these are schemes that promise a lot of returns, but historically, in the end, you end up losing your capital. So it's important for someone to understand their space, understand their time horizon before they get into that business venture or that investment option. So age is not just a number. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I leave you without for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and have a very good afternoon. Bye bye.